Hello and welcome to a new short introduction video from Data Color. This video is about how to avoid the problem with color sync being activated when printing out with spider print profile out of Photoshop on a Macintosh computer, as you could see in our short guide on how to print correctly out of Photoshop or Photoshop Lightroom. The first thing to do is to download the GenericRGB profile. I will download this zip file, unpack it, what has been done here automatically by the Safari download manager, and I will look up this file. Now, where do I have to put in this file? I have to put in my user folder, then library, color sync, and profiles. Please save the GenericRGB profile in here. So I can close the Finder window, and the next thing I will do is open the color sync utility. You can find the color sync utility through Spotlight or directly in your application folder. Here I will jump into devices, go into printers and choose my photo printer, and below the photo printer I have the whole list of the media type settings for my printer. The media type setting I am using when printing out of Photoshop with my spider print profile is this premium glossy setting. And when I look here, or when you look here, you can see that for this setting, when printing with color sync, he is applying the Epson Premium Glossy profile. We have to change this because we want to print with our own profile. That's why we will click in this arrow and select Other. We will return to our user folder, Library, Color Sync, Profiles to choose the GenericRGB profile and activate it for this media type setting. There we go. Now with the GenericRGB profile as printer profile with color sync, no setting will be applied, and like this it's the same as we would turn off the color management. Now we can close here, it's already activated, and we can go back to our Photoshop to print out my photo with my spider print profile, even if the color matching option is grayed out, like we can see here and here. So I will save this. These settings are correct, and I can print out now my photo. Thank you for listening. Remember, we have a 24-hour support ticket system. Don't hesitate and submit us a ticket if you have any further issues.